Alright, so we already downloaded all the protein I need from PDB and some other website. So now before we go for docking, we have to clean up this protein and we have to do some preparation for the protein, and then we can go for docking. And we also need to change it from crystallographic structure to PDB-QT or PDB to PDB-QT. So now let me just show you how to clean up this protein, and we can do this protein cleanup in our Discovery Studio, or we also can do this in Pymol. So I will try to show you both of the way. So let me just start with Discovery Studio. So this is my first protein, 7B3 or CMAT protein. So let me just take this from here, click it over here, and then drag it into Discovery Studio. So my protein already loaded in Discovery Studio. You can check out lots of red dot over here. This is actually water molecules. So for cleaning up this protein, we have to remove all the water molecule present in this protein. Okay, so you can actually check out all this thing from here. Here is actually everything present in this protein. So there is water molecule, so we can see there is actually 3 A chain, and 1 A chain is actually only water molecule. So if I remove this water molecule, this chain also will get removed. So when I click over here, then all the water molecule become yellow. This means we selected all the water molecule. Now simply we have to just delete it as like cut. So we already deleted all the water molecule present in this protein. Now we have to remove all the excess ligand from this protein to prepare this or clean up this protein. So here we have one ligand group, so you can see the ligand over here, but I want to keep this ligand to check out if my new ligand actually just bind into this position or not, and for further study actually. So let me just cut this ligand actually. Then I will open a new tab, molecule window. We can simply click over here. So now I can control B to paste the ligand over here, and you can actually save this ligand into this position without just changing the position or anything. You can save it, file, save as, then you can go for wherever you want to save this. I already saved this one, 7B3 here, so I already save all this ligand from different protein, so I will not save it over here. So this is it. If you want to keep this protein, you keep this ligand, you can actually keep this ligand for further study. Now this is my protein, and we already removed everything from this protein, and this is actually a clean protein. Now let me show you this cleanup in Pymol also. You can do this in Discovery Studio, or you can use Pymol also for cleaning up this protein. So if I just go for the same protein again, then you can compare how we can clean. So here is the same protein again in Pymol. Pymol is actually pretty good for visualizing. So if you go for here the sequence SCQ, this means sequence, so you can see all the sequence of this protein over here. So this is all the sequence, and at the end of this you can see a lots of 0 or O. So all these are actually water molecules. So you just have to grab over here, click on your right click on your mouse, and then just select all this thing over here like this. Then you just can simply remove all this. So all the water molecule actually removed from this protein, and now we have to remove the ligand also. So you can simply just go for here, and if you just select this separated chain, actually you can see all this actually together, but this chain is actually separated. So at the last or at the end of this sequence, you can check out if you have some separated chain or not. If you find out any, then select over there, and you can see the ligand also gets selected. So now I can simply just right click and remove. So my protein also prepared from here. So you can see my protein also prepared in this location also in Pymol. So now let me show you how to just simply save this. So save as, you can go for this protein data bank files PDB. So I will try to save this in PDB format. So let me just go for clean protein. I already saved this over here. So this is my clean protein. You can save it just clicking on this protein data bank files and save. So for now I already have this protein cleaned up, so I will not do this. And same way actually Pymol, you can go save session as, you can save as this format Pymol session, or you can go for PDB format, get PDB, not PDB actually. So here you can see you have PDB format. Now you can save this protein as PDB in from Pymol, and from Discover Yesterday I already showed you, so you can save this any name and then go for PDB. So I already just saved as 7b3 or cement clean protein, so I will not do that for now. Now let me show you how to just after cleaning up, how to prepare your protein. So this protein I already cleaned up, I already saved that. So let me close this window. Now I have to prepare the protein for docking. This is Pyrex for docking, but we have to prepare the protein in our autodock tool. So let me just go for clean protein. Here is our 7b3 here, and we will drag it over autodock tool. So this is our clean protein over here. Okay, so for preparing this protein you just have to go for edit, then we have to add a hydrogen molecule. We only use the polar only hydrogen. Okay, everything else we keep the same. So we already added all the hydrogen molecules we need. Now we have to add charges for this protein, and for protein we add actually column charges. So we add column charges, 11.519 column charges actually added over here. Okay, now we can do one more thing, atoms, and assign AD4 type actually. So now your protein is prepared, completely prepared for docking. So I will save this, go for grid, macromolecule, choose 7b3r, select molecule. Okay, now you can save this protein wherever you want. I will go for the protein section here, and here. So we already saved this one after preparing. So let me just save one more time in PDBQT. Okay. Yes. So our protein already prepared after adding column charges and all the other charges. Now it's ready for docking. Then we have to prepare the ligand also, and we can do docking in Pyrex or any other tool. So this is it for today.